Education takes us from darkness into light. Situated in the heart of the city, St. Thomas College of Arts and Science holds a picturesque view. We stand precedent in quality of education and uphold holistic justice. In the pattern of teaching, we emancipate the clutches of dark trepidation of future. This esteemed institution has witnessed innumerous burgeons of young students turned into matured scholars.
Present here, I am Dr. N. Thangavel, Principal, St. Thomas College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, Chennai. I deem it a great pleasure in welcoming you all to the Freshers' Day function, and I really thank you so much for having chosen this college as a study center for your wards. I thank both the freshers as well as the parents. And also, I would like to tell you something about our college. And our college started in the year 1999, and 21 years are over, and you are the 22nd batch of students. At present, we have two shift systems, shift 1 and shift 2, that is day college and evening college. In shift 1, nearly 1320 students are studying, and shift 2, 590 students are studying, put together crossing 1800 students. The students are making use of all our facilities, including the infrastructure, the classroom, laboratory, faculties. So this college is located in the heart of the city. This is the right place for you, not only to do undergraduate programs but also PG programs. We offer PG programs also in our college. You can make use of both UG as well as PG programs in the same college. Your cooperation is very much required, and do follow the college rules and regulations laid down in the SOP. Thank you once again. All the best, and may God bless you.
Hello everyone. This is Dr. P. Jayakumar, Assistant Professor of Commerce and Vice Principal, Shift 1. I joined this greater institution in August 2001, and I am proud to be part of this institution for the past 2 decades. St. Thomas College of Arts and Science is a college with a difference. The college has dedicated, qualified and experienced faculty members to provide better learning experience to all the students. I urge the students to make use of all facilities and resources to achieve their greater heights in their life. Apart from very good teaching learning process, the college also provides platforms for the students to excel in extracurricular activities through various clubs and associations. Thank you. All the best.
Hi, this is Shibi Mathai, the IQAC coordinator of St. Thomas College of Arts and Science. The IQAC was constituted on 14 November 2019. It functions under the chairmanship of principal, senior faculty members, and administrative representatives. The primary goal of IQAC is to develop a system for conscious, consistent, and catalytic action to improve the academic and administrative reforms of the institution, to promote measures for functioning of institution towards quality improvement through internalization of quality culture and institutionalization of best practices. The IQAC has a major role in developing. It also plans and regulates all the quality measures that are required for the institution. It also organizes workshops and seminars based on quality related themes. The IQAC conducts regular meetings with its members. The primary vision of IQAC is to attain the NAAC accreditation. To begin with, or to initialize this process, we have signed Memorandum of Understanding with Stella Maris College, Chennai under the UGC Paramarsh scheme. The IQAC and its team have already started to work on the mission NAAC. Thank you.
I am Mrs. K. Kripa, started the profession as a lecturer in mathematics in the year 1997 and joined this institution in the year 2004 as an assistant professor for the Department of Mathematics. The mathematics department was also started in St. Thomas College of Arts and Science in the year 2004 with its 2 students and 4 faculty members. Now it has been increased to 150 students and 10 faculty members.
I'm Mrs. Sanija Anand, Head of the Department of English. We started BA English major in 2008 with 21 students, and now we have around 200 students. We have 14 faculty members in the department. To nurture the hidden talents and potentialities of the students, we have started clubs in reading, poetry and theatre. This portal gives them a congenial environment to explore, to achieve, improve and to excel in the right path.
A very good morning to all. On behalf of the Department of Psychology, I welcome all freshers who are prepared to face a new and fresh journey of life full of challenges and achievements, where you can equip yourself with the skills and abilities to face the challenges of the world. Wishing you all an inspirational and successful career ahead. Good luck. Thank you.
This department was started in the year 1990 with 50 students, but now we have 3 sections and with more than 600 students. They will inculcate knowledge and skill among the students. All the pass out students are well placed in highly reputed companies, TCS, CTS, Wipro, and some of the students are well placed in banks also, public sector banks. And many students they are doing PG in abroad. On behalf of the BBA department staff and students, I welcome you all. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Shaila M. Cherry, Head of the Department of Computer Applications. The Department of Computer Applications started in the year 1999 with a strength of 30 students, and now we have 350 students on roll. The BCA graduates are eligible to pursue higher studies like MCA, MSc IT, MBA, etc., and they can also be employed in IT industries as software tester, software engineer, web developer, system administrator, and so on. Many of our passed out students are well placed in MNCs like HCL, Wipro, Infosys, etc. We encourage our students to participate in various intercollegiate competitions so that they get good exposure and knowledge. I am sure that the students studying BCA at St. Thomas College are able to reach greater heights.
Good morning. I am Subhashini, Head, Department of Computer Science. For the past 20 years in our esteemed institution, the students who are joining BSc Computer Science have a great opportunity in the IT industry. The students can work as programmers, hardware and network engineer, IoT specialist, system analyst, software tester, quality assurance analyst, web application developer, mobile app developer, and various IT related technical supporters. I wish all the best to all the students of St. Thomas College.
I am Mrs. K. Sridevi, Head of Department of Commerce. We started with 14 students and at present we have got 3 sections with 700 students. The objective is to provide academic excellence with all-round development. We encourage the students to participate in extracurricular activities in order to showcase their talents. We encourage the students to undertake professional courses and we also motivate the students to achieve their goals. The job opportunities will be like accounts manager, it's going to be sales executives, it is going to be you have opportunities in banking and financial sector, corporate sector, then they can become entrepreneurs. At the same time, they can take some even challenges in life.
I am Dr. and Mrs. Jesu Arul Selva Vimali, JA, Head of the Department of BCom Accounting and Finance. The department mainly focuses on the importing knowledge of the student in various tax methodology as well as the accounting knowledge. The student entitled the various place to importing the knowledge, gaining the tax assessment and placed various departments such as income tax department or information technology department, and they can acquire the flyer knowledges of accounting.
I am Dr. K. Nityanandam, HOD, Department of Commerce, Bank Management. We, the department, expose the talents of the students through various department activities and encourage them to participate in the activities conducted by other departments of our college and other activities conducted by different colleges. After getting BCom Bank Management degree, students can get the jobs in banks, companies, IT industries, etc., or they can go in for higher studies like MBA, MCom, etc. All the best to the students of St. Thomas College of Arts and Science.
I am Dr. G. Raju, Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship. BCom CS is more helpful for higher studies like CA, ICW, ACS, etc. BCom CS provide institutional training for the students, that is also better placement of a student in a company. If you have studied BCom CS, you will shine anywhere in the world. Thank you. All the best. God bless you.
I am Dr. Elango, Head, Department of Electronic Media. We have UG and PG courses in the department. Our students are well placed in teaching, in television, in social media, in filmmaking, and as sound engineers for Hollywood films, and as YouTube content managers in YouTube channels. They have wide scope in the industry. We strongly say we produce vibrant students for media industry.
Hi, I am Mrs. Kavita, Head of the Department of Visual Communication. The undergraduate course BSc Visual Communication was started in the year 1999 with 11 students, and the postgraduate course MSc Visual Communication was started in the year 2005 with 2 students. We have currently 7 technically skilled professors and 170 students in our department. We have well equipped lab facilities for our students in our department. There are plenty of job opportunities in this visual communication course. We, the Department of Visual Communication, St. Thomas College of Arts and Science, are producing very skillful and talented students to the media industry every year.
வணக்கம். முனைவர் பொன் சண்முகம், தமிழ்துறை தலைவர். தமிழ்துறையினுடைய சாரல் இலக்கிய வட்டம் அனைத்து கல்லூரி மாணவர்களுக்கான கவிதை, கட்டுரை, பேச்சு, பட்டிமன்றம் முதலிய துறைகளில் மாணவர்களை மிக நேர்த்தியாக அவர்களுக்கு பயிற்சி அளிக்கிறது. அதோடு சென்னை பல்கலைக்கழகத்தினுடைய பாடத்திட்டத்தினை எளிய தமிழில், எளிய வடிவில் அவர்களுக்கு தமிழ்துறை வழங்கி வருகிறது. மேலும் ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் தமிழ்துறையானது ஆசிரியர் திருநாள், பொங்கல் விழா மிக சிறப்பாக கொண்டாடி வருகிறது. பல்வேறு அமைப்புகளோடு சேர்ந்து தமிழ் சான்றோர் பெருமக்களை தமிழ்துறைக்கு அழைத்து வந்து
மாணவர்களிடையே தமிழ் உணர்வையும் தமிழ் அறிவையும் வளர்க்கக்கூடிய வகையில் தமிழ்துறை மிக சிறப்பாக பணியாற்றி கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அதனால்தான் தூய தாமஸ் கல்லூரியின் தூண்கள் கூட தூய தமிழ் பேசுகின்றன. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Bonjour, this is Balkish. I am handling French for first and second years. French, as you all know, it's a very well-known language in the world. It's the second largest spoken language. You can also work as a teacher, and it is paid for every hour if you go as a part-time. If you learn French, it helps you in many walks of life. Thank you.
Namaskar, Dr. Arun Sheila, handling as a Hindi faculty in our college. We learn a new language. We get a lot of opportunities in the world. If the student is very interested, he can earn money from his college life also. As a poetess or a writer, translators from work from home also.
As good the quality of education is, so good should be the infrastructure and its amenities. We at St. Thomas College of Arts and Science have tremendously constructed the new building campus with 130,000 square feet of usable space, auditorium and 3 mini halls of students, and spaciously ventilated classrooms, labs, dedicatively constructed to each requiring department, aim to keep the students motivated and condensed towards their goal for achievement and academics.
Hi my dear parents and my dear students, this is Nagarajan, Vice Principal of Shift 2. A warm welcome to our Freshers Day function to all parents and students. We started our Shift 2 courses with 200 students 3 years back. Now we are currently having 1,250 students of strength with 7 degrees. Out of the 7 degrees, 2 degrees we have additional sections. Now we have 9 classes with 590 students in this current academic year 2020-21. We are not teaching only the subjects, and also we are teaching to our students the moral values, how to lead a successful life. And these are the things that we are concentrating for our students. You people are choosing the best college in the city. All the best for your future. God bless you all. Thank you.
I am Minnie Jennifer from Department of English Shift 2. We, the Department of English, provide soft skills which helps the students. We also provide interview skills which helps the students in building their self-confidence. We from the Department of English extend a warm welcome to the freshers, and we wish you all the very best.
தூய தாமஸ் கலை மற்றும் அறிவியல் கல்லூரியின் சுழற்சி 2 தமிழ் துறையின் பேராசிரியராகிய எனது பெயர் முனைவர் ரா சுகந்தி. நம் கல்லூரியின் சுழற்சி 2இன்
வாகை இலக்கிய மன்றம் செயல்பட்டு கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அதுபோல இந்த கல்வி ஆண்டில் வருகை புரிந்திருக்கும் நீங்களும் உங்கள் திறமைகளை வெளிப்படுத்த தூய தாமஸ் கலை மற்றும் அறிவியல் கல்லூரி பாலமாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் படிப்பதோடு மட்டும் அல்லாமல் இது போன்ற பல திறமைகளை வளர்த்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். இதற்கு தமிழ்துறை உங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் படிப்பதோடு மட்டும் அல்லாமல் இது போன்ற பல திறமைகளை வளர்த்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். இதற்கு தமிழ்துறை உங்களுக்கு உறுதுணையாக இருக்கும். உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் பாராட்டும் வாழ்த்தும். நன்றி.
I am Dr. G. Manoharan, HOD in charge, Department of Computer Application. BCA course help student to learn computer programming languages in depth. Students can start their career in information technology. St. Thomas College provide good platform for students community to improve their knowledge and career opportunity. My heartful wishes to you all.
This is Rubia Smiley, Head in Charge, Department of Computer Science, Shift 2. On behalf of our management, we welcome you all. You have chosen a great institution for your studies. Computer science is an exciting, challenging and amazing discipline. As students in the computer science department, you have to expose high quality teaching and learning methodologies. Don't be ordinary, be extraordinary. Be star performers, get amazing results in your studies. All the best for your future.
This is Dr. J. Jerlyn Violet, Department of Business Administration, Shift 2. On behalf of the Business Administration Department, I welcome you all. Students should be happy that they have stepped into the right platform by choosing St. Thomas College of Arts and Science. As they complete the course, they will step into the world as budding managers. We have qualified, dedicated and well experienced faculty members. As far as placement is concerned, the students will be placed in well reputed companies as managers. We wish you all a success for the days to come.
Good morning to all. I am Dr. S. Tamil Selvan, Head of the Department of Commerce, Shift 2. So what are the subjects were in BCom General? Then Financial Accounting, Corporate Accounting, Financial Management, Management Accounting, Income Tax. These are various subject is provided in this course.
I am Dr. P. Sangeeta, Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Shift 2. This course very useful to join any company in secretarial cadre. Best of luck for your next step in the academic life.
I am Dr. V. Saravanan, Head of the Department of BCom Bank Management, Shift 2. The department has very skillful and talented faculty members. The BCom Bank Management course, a recent and modern course, and also for a challenging course in commerce field, especially for MNC companies like Wipro, HCL, Reliance and Tata Consultancy, etc. Wish you all the best for your successful, brightful future.
Good morning. I am Professor K. Karpasamy, Department of BCom Accounting Finance. Our department has experienced and qualified professors. It gives employability skills to all the students and provide excellent career opportunities to all the students. For example, banking and insurance sector, both private and government industries, as well as government jobs, TNPSC and financial institutions. I wish all the best for the students who are joining this course in St. Thomas College. Thank you.
While our college bulwarks illiteracy, we firmly believe in invigorating our lads and lasses to flaunt their talents beyond books. By the opportunities we provide, the flaunts have found ways and will always find ways into glorified learning, not about victory, but about participation and sportsmanship.
Vanakkam, I'm Rajesh, BSc Visual Communication 2000-2003 batch of St. Thomas College, Arts and Science College. So, St. Thomas College பற்றி பேச சொன்ன உடனே எனக்கு முதல் ஞாபகம் வருது என்னோட lecturers, professors and the principal. St. Thomas College has given us a lot good memories and great experiences to carry forward to our life. And I thank the college very much, and what I hear about the college now, I'm very happy about it. பெரிய level expand பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and they have developed their infrastructure in a great way. So I feel happy, and thanks for asking these things to me, and I think it made me to travel back in my timeline. Our motto is let there be light. So it spreads light to all upcoming students, the freshers who are coming to this batch, and to everyone. Thank you.
Hey folks, hello, my name is Ashwant Fernando. I was in the first batch of students at St. Thomas College of Arts and Science. Very happy to see each and every one of you. You're very lucky to join this very prestigious institution that I believe has talented teachers who are interested in seeing you grow as an individual and making sure that you get the best in life. So I moved to the United States in 2008, and I've been working in the United States for the past 12 years, a lot of which was in Silicon Valley, working for eBay, Apple, and a lot of big tech companies. St. Thomas College is definitely a place where if you put your heart and soul into your work, you will definitely come out with flying colors and get what you can based on your efforts. You'll get those rewards.
Hi, I am Shweta. I am from Villivakkam. I joined Become General first shift, and at the same time I have seen the advertisement of this college in everywhere, even in the television and channels. So when I was entered into the campus, I was impressed with the atmosphere. The ambience looks pleasing, and the infrastructure is really amazing. I have a better impression about the staffs who are working here. I hope their guidings and counselings will help me for my future career. I have more confidence in St. Thomas College, and I am looking forward for a greater college life. The straightforward approach of the teachers and proper counselling by them, staffs and managements are more concentrating in discipline and quality of education. I hope the God is with us, the college is with us, we will grow higher and higher. The college motto is let there be light.
My name is Diksha. I came from Alagappa school. One of my friends suggested this college to me, and I am very comfortable with the fees and the maintenance of this college. I have joined a BCom General Shift 2. I have joined BCom General course because I think it's like really very good subject for me, and my ambition is to become banker. I believe the course which I have taken, it will be very helpful for me for the future plan. I have spoken with the vice principal. His guidance was really very good, and I will be very happy to learn here, and I hope my coming 3 years will be very successful for me. I heard the college motto is let there be light. I hope and believe this college will bring light into my life.